Hey guys, welcome to FloHub, and let me just take a few minutes to show you some of the options and functionalities we have available within our plugin. So first of all, we have our standard menu to the left where you can create a new price list. You can access all of your style kits, messages, and your plugin settings. We do have separate tutorials and documentation for each section, so be sure to check those out. Next, we have access to our documentation at the top. We have access to our changelog, news, and support. We then have our secondary menu where you have access to your main plugin dashboard or the FloHub dashboard. You can access all of your price lists here. Then you have a quick overview of all of your inquiries, different statistics of viewers and inquiries per month, per year, or weekly. Scrolling further down, you can have a percentage rate of desktop visits versus mobile visits. Then we have some brief tutorials on how to make your first price list, etc. And once again, a quick link to our support team in case you need any assistance. In terms of our price list area over here, there are several additional settings. You can filter all of your price lists by their category, whether they are public, private, or password protected. You can search by title. You can also create a new price list by clicking this button over here. And as mentioned earlier, we do have the same option of creating a new price list from the left-hand side menu. We also have this help button where you can take a quick tour to see how things work within the backend. So if this is your first time looking into FloHub, I would recommend that you start off with a template, and this will just give you a quick overview of some of the options that we have internally and a few guidances as well. So first of all, you would start off by choosing a template. So click here to select a template. Choose any random template that you think may work for you. Once again, this is just to kind of get to know your way around some of the basic settings that you have within FloHub. So you would start off by choosing a style. You can keep the existing styling, meaning all of the fonts and colors, or you can add your own. Once again, just to make things a little bit easier for you, go ahead and keep the same style. This way you don't have to make adjustments to the fonts and your colors. You then add in your price list title and subtitle. Go ahead, click on next step. You then have all of your general settings for your content width, your currency position, and so forth. Go ahead, click on done with settings once all of the adjustments have been made. You then have the option to save. So once you're working on your price list, click on save every once in a while just to ensure that all of your settings have been saved. And then finally, we do have an option where you can preview your price list while it is still in progress. Once everything is taken care of, go ahead, click on finish, and now you can go ahead and make additional adjustments to your price list by adjusting any colors, upload your desktop logo, select your menu type, typography settings, and so forth. So we do have a separate tutorial with an overview of all of these options and settings here, so be sure to check those out as well. So this is it in terms of our initial video. This is just a quick overview of some of the options that we have within FloHub. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys around later.